Uthiwa bekuyingane zababili usemgangeleni kaMkhwanazi noRamaphosa ngabe sesishilo ukuthi yabhinqela nxanye impisi embethe isikhumba semvu ephethe i-agenda yabantu abamhlophe isele elifihla imali womatransi ngabe sesishilo ukuthi yahluleka leya mase sithabatha ihlangu sigiyane yakithi sithi uyinqwele veyane kaMayanda enkwali yenkosi mola songaweli ngazibuko owela ngehlambe zomfuko. But nakhe bengifisa ukukudlulisa ukuthi uPresident umoshe isikhathi nje sezwe ethi uzo-addressa i-nation. Usitshele into eyi-one esiyizwile ukuthi he has created a legitimate way of chowing money of the taxpayers, because commission never actually brought about clear results, never resolved or ended any crimes or criminal activities. I-commission idla isikhathi idle imali kubo kuphela ilokho ezokwenza. So esikufunayo thina isolution, but mhlawumbe la esigeja khona ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi singayithola kuRamaphosa kanti uRamaphosa usehlulekile. Mhlawumbe uRamaphosa akahluleki per se, but akanayo interest yokuseva the black people. Yithi siyigqilaza ngaye sithi umongameli wethu kanti yena umongameli wabantu abamhlophe. uCyril Ramaphosa uphuma kwi-BRICS kodwa usubscribe eWest, mandate uyithathe eWest. Ngathini-ke ngalowo muntu ngoba in the whole 10 minutes he spoke was saying one thing, uzoqala i-commission. Le commission ayizukuxazulula inkinga, rather izokwazi ukuthi imanage i-nation ukuthi inga-revoke ngenxa yokuthi government is doing something, whereas they are doing nothing. But mhlawumbe-ke kuliphutha ukukhomba iphutha kuRamaphosa. I know finding fault is like window washing. The dirty always seems to be on the other side. I want to find dirty in me, in us, the people. How long are we willing to tolerate the leadership-less style of Ramaphosa toward us as the people? Uma kuwukuthi okhokho omkhulu bethu igazi labo legcwele imfulana namhlanje bethi bayalwa balela umhlaba wethu. Uma ukhona isizukulwane sake sama sathi sinqaba ukufunda ngeAfrikaans, thina siyothi samelana. Ngithi mina asimkhiphe umhlonishwa ongahloniphekile uRamaphosa, simkhiphe siyithathele thina izwe lethu siyiphathele. Ngoba uma sizosakhama ukuthi sizomkhipha ngama-elections kuzongena omunye ofana naye, asikhiphe kwa-ANC. Right now it's time ukuthi siyithathele amandla thina. I-system le existayo yabelungu fears only but one thing: masses boundless power and unled revolution. That's why they will fund political parties to administrate the revolution, to administrate the masses. We are being controlled because we subscribe in political parties' ideologies and styles of leadership and whatsoever. Silinda 5 years sihlupheka namhlanje. Incindezelo iyakhula, imisebenzi ayikho, inhlupheko idlubhedu. I don't know ukuthi siyizizukulwane sithi silindeni. Ngithi-ke mina ngiwuhlabe ngulawule lo mkhosi bafowethu ukuthi cha sesehlulekile. Asingabe sisakhuluma nalapha einkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi uRamaphosa incompetent, uRamaphosa this, ANC that. Let us put a day, go there, simkhiphe, silithathe izwe. I-system yabelungu esitshela ukuthi ukhomanda we-army engakwazi ukulida ikhuditha kuthatha izwe. No, any one of us, we are the citizens. We need to design laws that favors us. If the laws are no longer serving the interest of the people, what are they for? So asingalokhu siyibopha ngama-chains esiboshwe ngawo, ngoba if we toe the line of the system, we'll never defeat the system that is designed to make us subject to it. Unkwali yenkosi mina ngithi simeseke futhi siyothatha izwe, noma ngingathiwa kuyena oba umongameli, noma ngingathiwa ubani oba umongameli, but a pure and pro-black person. Ngiyanicela sesizukulwane sanamhlanje, intsha yanamhlanje, ukuthi asukumeni sizenzele, singalindi umnyama ongenafu. Ayikho impumelelo nenguquko esoyithola through politics. Ayikho. It's about time we take action. Mina-ke ngiyawuhlaba ngiyawulawula lo mkhosi. Asiyilwe bafowethu. Makuthiwa ke we incited people. We are tired. What did we incite people to do actually? Except to say, ninomhlaba, ugodlwa abelungu, ninezimbiwa, zidliwa abelungu. Analutho nidla insipho nisheba namathe. Hayi man, hlangana ndle mnyama. It's about time. Sambe sibakhiphe manje. Shonile ilanga.